Hey everyone, in today's iPhone video, I wanted to show you how to lock any apps on your iPhone. Once you do lock it, you'll have to type in a 4-digit passcode that you will set in order to unlock it. So it's a great way to restrict access to any app that you choose. You could also do this category wide, so you could do this to all social media apps, for example. If it's your first time here, I make easy to follow social media and tech videos every single day, so please consider subscribing. This is how we're gonna do this. First of all, we need iOS 12 or later because this option was rolled out in iOS 12. I already have iOS 12, so I need to go to the Settings app here. And if you scroll down on iOS 12, there's an option called Screen Time right here. Go ahead and press that. And if you don't have it turned on, we're gonna go ahead and turn it on. We're gonna press continue, and you could set this for your child's iPhone as well, but I'm gonna say this is my iPhone, and now screen time has been turned on. Now screen time allows you to limit apps. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do this to lock any app that you want. This is what we're gonna do. First, we're gonna use a screen time passcode. So press that option and go ahead and choose a 4-digit passcode. I'll just choose 1234 for the sake of this video, and you could change it at any time later. So now that that has been set, I'm gonna do an app limit. So you see the option under downtime app limits. I'm gonna press that. Again, type in my passcode here, and I'm gonna add a limit, press that. And here you have all these different categories. So if you wanted to do this with social networking or games or entertainment like YouTube and Netflix, for example, you could choose those options here. So for the sake of this video, let me choose social networking. That includes Instagram, WhatsApp, Snapchat, and so on. Press next, and then I'm just gonna set this to 1 minute, and I'm gonna leave everything else as you see here, and then I'm gonna press add, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on right there. App limit is turned on. So now let me get out of here, and you see the apps that are grayed out: Facebook, Snapchat, Life 360, Instagram. Those are all social media apps that have been locked. So what happens now if I want to open Facebook? Let me click Facebook. It's gonna give me a time limit because I set that to be reached very quickly. So in order to ask for more time, I'll have to press that text, and I have to type in the 4-digit passcode to get more time. So let me do that. And you could get 15 minutes, an hour, or all day. But this will happen every single day, even with a passcode. But if they don't have that passcode, they actually can't do this. So let me cancel out of here. And then the same thing will happen with other social media apps that you have here. But what if you wanted to block some apps and not other apps? Let me go back to screen time to show you what else you could do here. So now that I have an app limit on all social media apps, I could always allow some apps. Let's say I always want to allow Instagram, for example. Here, I could simply find Instagram and go ahead and press plus sign on Instagram, come all the way up here. And as you could see, a handful of apps have been added here, including Instagram. I could do this with every single app. I just have to do this one time, press plus next to all these apps, and they could be added, the ones I don't want to block. Now, if I go back to my page, you see Instagram is no longer blocked. And if I go back to settings and I could change the app limits here, and choose another limit and do this with all apps and all categories, and then do this with 1 minute, press add on top, and you see it's on top. If I go to my page, you see every single app is grayed out except for Clock and Instagram. Those are the ones I had already added to always allow apps. So on their list of always allowed, those are the ones that were already here. Instagram, the one I added. So make sure you choose all the apps that you want to include here, and the rest will be blocked, requiring you to type in that 4-digit ID. And it's that simple to block any app on your iPhone. Please give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful. I post these type of videos every single day, and I hope to catch you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching this one.